filming this look for you guys, and you can always find the link of this either up or in the description bar below. I took a poll on Instagram, and that was between quick hair buns and heatless curls. So quick hair buns got more number of votes, so I'm gonna be doing first the quick hair buns and second the heatless curls. I don't want to disappoint any of my viewers, so heatless curls will also be up there soon. Let's quickly start with the video. So first hair bun would be a simple one. Just take it up high, very high. This is for those girls with long and medium length hair. This is the perfect bun for those girls. This is my daily bun actually. So I take it up into a very high ponytail. Take it up, twist it around, twist it, twist and twist and twist. And then you have to do nothing but just wrap it around. And there you go. You take a clutcher, no juda stick, no juda pins, no juda stick, no juda pins stay on my hair. So I go with a clutcher, a simple plain black clutcher. For the second hairstyle, again take your hair into a high ponytail, secure it with a tie or a band. Your two braids are done, so what you do is take this one first and then just twisting it off. So just crisscross both the braids. Yes, crisscross, 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 criss. And there I have the first end, which I'm gonna just tuck it inside the bun. Now we proceed to the third hairstyle, which is also a bun, but a trendy kind of a bun. This one I also did previously, and I posted a picture on the Instagram, and some of my friends really liked it, how it turned out. One parting is this side and one. Basically, you have to do is French braid this part. Three braid. Took three sections, normal, three braids. Okay. First step, a normal three braid system. Okay. Now since this will go over this now, we will add more section to it from the back, making everything neat. We braid this again. We go over this, we take it here and we stop. Now since this is alone over this now, okay, we take a section from here, add it to this one, If you like the video, please make sure you press that like button and subscribe to the channel. Those who are new to this channel, hello everyone, this is Mitali and this is my channel. This is for the beauty, fashion and lifestyle channel. The DIYs, everything you need for your life. Yes. Now make sure you subscribe. Love you guys. Ta-da.